Hello children, welcome back to the science class. Today we will start a new lesson number 6, keeping clean and healthy. If we want to be healthy and strong, we should keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. Keeping our body clean. Germs are very small living things that can make us ill. To keep them away, we must stay clean. We should have a bath every day. We should wear clean undergarments. Our school uniform and play clothes should also be clean. So here, cleanliness is a virtue. We all like cleanliness. We should always keep our body, our house, and our surrounding. Keeping our body clean. Our body parts help us in different ways. We must take care of proper care of our body parts. We must clean our body regularly. It keeps us healthy. Next, keeping our hands clean. We must wash our hands before and after eating. We must also wash our hands after playing and after using the toilet. We must keep our nails short and clean. So here, while playing, our hands becomes dirty. We should always wash our hands, feet and face after playing. We should also wash our hands before eating and after eating. Okay. Next, keeping our teeth clean. We must rinse our mouth after eating. We must brush our teeth twice a day. Our toothbrush must be changed every 3 months. So here, our teeth, we should brush our teeth daily in the morning and at night before going to bed. We should use good toothpaste and toothbrush to clean our teeth. Next, we must take a bath every day. It helps us to keep our body clean. We should use a good soap and wipe ourselves with the clean, dry towel. Okay. Next, keeping our hair clean. Our hair must be washed with a good shampoo or soap regularly. We must also brush and comb our hair daily. So here, we should keep our hair clean. We should wash hair with a good shampoo or soap. We should comb our hair properly to keep tidy. We should always use a clean comb. Okay. Next, keeping the home clean. We should keep the windows open to let in fresh air and sunlight. Sunlight helps kill the germs in the air. Open doors and windows help let in fresh air. Sometimes dust also flies in through the open windows, so we have to sweep and mop the floors every day to keep the dust and dirt out. We also have to keep the toilet and kitchen clean and dry. A clean home is important for our happiness and well-being. We used broom for sweeping for the floor and dustpan for collecting the dust. We used dusting clothes to dust the windows, doors and furniture. We used our mopping clothes and a bucket of water to mop the floor. We throw dry garbage and waste paper in the dustbin. We throw wet garbage in the garbage can. A home must be free of insects like housefly, cockroach, rats, spider, and lizard. They spread disease. We used insecticides insecticides to keep our house clean. We should our home neat and clean. Next, keeping the school clean. We spend most of our times at school, so we should keep our classrooms and school clean. In the classroom, we should throw the pencil shavings in the dustbin. We should not throw pieces of paper on the floor. All books must be kept back neatly on the shelves. In the afternoon, when it is time to leave for home, we must make sure that the class is neat and tidy. In school, we must pick up any rubbish we find laying on the ground. The walls must not be scribbled on. We must not pluck flowers from the garden. So here a clean house begins with a clean classroom. How can we keep our classroom clean? We must throw pencil shavings in the dustbin. After an art and craft parade, we must clean up the room. That's right. Now let's see how we can keep our school clean. Do not write on the walls or dust. Throw all waste in the dustbin. Do not drop food or spoil water in the classroom or in the corridor. Do not spoil water on the toilet floor. Someone slip and get hurt. Wash your hands with soap after using the toilet. Okay. Next, keeping public places clean. Our neighborhood belongs to all of us, so it is our streets outside our homes clean. We must make sure that everyone throws the garbage only in the rubbish bins. We should not destroy the plants around us. We must try to plant more trees. Okay.